What's going on, everybody? This is Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. Today we got something special for you. Today we have some shrimp fried rice. You be wondering what you're gonna do with the leftover white rice? Well, I'm about to show you how to do that. And also too, if you go out there, and maybe have some takeout and you have some side leftover white rice, I'm gonna show you what to do with that as well. So let's get into the ingredients. All right, so with the shrimp fried rice, what we want to do is we want to have 2 cups of rice. We have brown rice here, but you can do white rice. Normally a common shrimp fried rice is with white rice, but we're gonna do some brown rice. And we see this is some leftovers that we had I'm gonna show you how to incorporate the shrimp fried rice with some leftover rice. But if you have, you know how to make your own rice, go ahead and do that and add it to it. It's always good to make shrimp fried rice with an old batch of rice. That's what they normally do. Okay, so what we have is some peas and carrots. Already chopped up and frozen. We have some shrimp. We have 3 tablespoons of oil. We have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we have 2 raw eggs and 3 green onions already chopped up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get over and combine these ingredients. So you wanna beat the egg until it's firmly together. First thing you wanna do is add your oil to your pan. You can have a wok. This is kind of similar to a wok. Make sure your wok is at the highest temperature it can be, because when you're doing stir fry, you always stir fry it really, really hot. The thing you want to do is add your egg mixture into it. And immediately, you see how it's cooking. Next, you want to add your garlic. Chop down the eggs. Chop it down a little finely, stuff like that. All right. Following, you want to add your vegetables in. Chop it around. Make sure they're finely chopped. Alrighty. Next, you want to get to your rice. So just pour in your rice. Yep. Put your rice in. Break it up. In. You see it's coming along. Next we're going to be adding in the soy sauce in a little bit. You might want to add in a little bit more oil. But now you want to add in the soy sauce. Just add it around evenly. You don't need much. That's really the salt base that you need when you actually put it together. What you want to do next is turn down your temperature. You want to burn that thing up. Mix in the soy sauce. Get it all coated in well. What you want to do next is normally I make a little hole to add the shrimp in. Add a little shrimp in, so they can cook. Alrighty. And we're gonna let that cook for a little bit, as they cook in, toss it around, and we're almost done. Got one last ingredient to add in here. Which is the green onions. add them in toward the end so you won't wilt them up, you know. And just stir them in. And that's it, y'all. Now, don't that look good, y'all? Those shrimps was popping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really appreciate y'all hanging with me. And don't forget to leave a comment below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Come out, hang out with your boy. You know, check out my new recipes. You know, we always uploading them weekly. And this shrimp fried rice will go well with any egg rolls. I do have an egg roll video, so definitely check out that egg roll video on how I made it. But see you next time.